Hi there, modern man. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how hard is hard enough for intercourse, right? I'm Dr. Truong. I've treated over 7,000 men, and let's address this question. Hard enough for sex is usually defined as an erection that's firm enough to allow comfortable penetration and stay inside during thrusting. Now, there is an erection hardness score called EHS. So clinically, there is a scale from 0 to 4 for erection hardness score. Now, 0 is no erection. 1 is big but not hard. 2 is hard but not hard enough for penetration. 3 is hard enough for penetration but not completely hard. And 4, completely hard and fully rigid. Most vaginal intercourse is at EHS score of 3 or 4. It's considered hard enough because it is sufficient for penetration and maintaining it. Studies show that men who report erection at EHS of 3 or 4 also report a high percentage of successful intercourse attempt and better sexual satisfaction. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. Now, if an erection can have penetration without using your hand to push it in or keep it in during thrusting, it's usually hard enough. If it repeatedly bend, slip out, or cannot be inserted despite arousal, that's typically below the hard enough scale or EHS of 2 or lower, and also fit ED criteria. This will mean that when you're not hard enough, that means you're not getting enough blood flow that come from the heart, that go to the blood vessels, and then that go to the penis in order for the penis to become firm and rigid. And that could be possibly from high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes. It could be from medication. It could be from overweight, porn, not enough sleep, stress, and also even relationship problem and depression, anxiety. So multiple factors that contribute to it as well. And in my last video that you can check out here, I talk about the different age range that the older you are, the more you're predisposed to having medical condition that will give you ED, versus if you're under 40, then it's more likely due to lifestyle such as smoking, vaping, stress, inadequate sleep, or porn that is contributing to your ED. But ED is not only for older men. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. A point to know is that ED depends on blood flow, and blood flow depends on condition that cause inflammation or endothelial damage, and that's usually the condition I mentioned before. But the main point here is that if you notice that you're not hard enough for penetration, and this happens frequently, go get your blood work done, guys. A simple blood work done to rule out whether you have diabetes, get your blood pressure checked. You need to check to see if you have high cholesterol, maybe even inflammation. All that can be discovered through blood work. And check out the video that I talk about blood work here what doctor need to order for you for ED. Particularly, also check out your testosterone as well. Check your total testosterone, check your free testosterone together. So the point I'm trying to say is that if you feel that you're not hard enough for penetration and you're frustrated, go get blood work, go see the doctor, and you may be able to reverse it quicker than you think. The second thing is that it is reversible. And the earlier you start, the easier it's going to be reversible. If you could take in that blue pill for years and years and years, you're just ignoring the problem. I call it ignoring the infection, and it gets worse. So start early. Just know it is reversible and it's not age inevitable at all. You don't have to live with it, okay? So take the erection hardness scale and let me know what your score is from 0 to 4. Having said that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and get notification as well. A lot of our viewers are not subscribers, so I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. And just know that we are here to help. Check out our Modern Man Club. Now, it is better than ever right now this year because now we're involving coaches for mindset, nutrition, and coach to help you exercise as well too. So we're here to help you guide through ED breakthrough, and that way you can have your sex life reset again. We're here to help. Take care, and I will see you in the next episode, Modern Man. Okay, Modern Man. You are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken, you are not alone, and you don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence, no more trial and error, just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.